Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of August, 2024, our system has ranked Alibaba as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 37.75% since we first recommended purchasing Alibaba 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.3% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 35.68% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12.83% and 45.98%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 9.64% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 26.26% and 17.52%. This translates to a price range of approximately 80.87 to 128.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for Alibaba includes the headline, "A very red day for Alibaba stock price after a decline of 6.67% in the Tuesday trading session." The Alibaba stock price decreased by 6.67% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, dropping from $117.52 to $109.68. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.51%, reaching a low of $108.04 and a high of $110.75. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 12.85% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should ideally align with price movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 957,000 shares, with a total of 37 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $117.82, while the lowest was $66.64. Currently, the price stands 6.91%, or $8.14, below the 52-week high, and 65.65%, or $209.64, below the all-time high recorded on the 27th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Chinese stocks have recently experienced a downturn, with market sentiment dampened by a lack of new stimulus measures from the government. This follows a brief rally that lifted shares out of a bear market, leaving investors feeling cautious. Notably, Alibaba's stock has displayed resilience amidst these fluctuations, bolstered by positive fundamentals in its e-commerce and cloud sectors. The company's dual primary listing and the decision to retain its logistics arm, Cainiao, enhance its market position. E-commerce platforms such as Taobao and Tmall are stabilizing their market shares thanks to regulatory easing and a user-centric focus, indicating potential for accelerated revenue growth. Projections suggest that Alibaba could experience a revenue increase of 5% in the fiscal year 2025, driven by contributions from its diverse business segments. However, despite this optimistic outlook, Alibaba's stocks, along with those of other Chinese firms, faced declines following disappointing trading results after the holiday period, coinciding with a significant drop in the Nasdaq Golden Dragon Index. While these immediate pressures may impact Alibaba's short-term stock performance, its underlying growth prospects position it favorably for the long run. The company continues to be regarded as a strong buy, particularly due to its advancements in artificial intelligence and cloud technology, which are increasingly critical in fostering future growth. As investors navigate the current volatility, Alibaba's strategic strengths may attract those seeking long-term value in the Chinese tech sector. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for BABA. On the 7th of October, 2024, Susquehanna assigned BABA a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same date, Loop Capital Markets issued an underperform rating for BABA, also with a hold recommendation. Prior to that, on the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup rated BABA with a buy and a hold action. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided a buy rating for BABA, again with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated BABA as equal weight, maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned Alibaba stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $112.67. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $91.49. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 7, 2024, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 6.67%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 61 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba currently finds support from accumulated volume at $107.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.71, or 2.51%, between its high and low. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 3.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or reliable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 21st of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.24. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba stands at $112.74. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba faces its first support level at $107.33. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $103.63, reflecting a decrease of 5.52%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal that has emerged from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Alibaba stock a good investment? Alibaba exhibits several positive indicators. However, we still do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buying opportunity. At present, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors either maintain their current position or consider accumulating more shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of October, we anticipate Alibaba will open down by approximately 19 cents and begin trading at $109.49. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.